You're my best friend, Rocky. Today's gonna be great.
Keep an eye on your sister at the show today, okay?
Of course, Dad. No problem.
Rocky's so excited.
He always loves a good outing.
Duke's coat took 2 hours to brush this morning.
Whoa, he looks amazing.
Oh, here comes something interesting.
Is that old thing actually competing?
I don't know what to say. Rocky is the best dog here.
Sure, if you say so.
Little sisters always say that.
Because it's true.
Let's just wait over here for a bit. Just until things calm down.
Welcome, everyone, to this year's Pet Show.
Duke's entering the Best in Show category.
Whew, wonderful. He's a beautiful dog.
Maybe we should skip this part. I don't want more people staring. Rocky's entering too. Great, welcome to the show, Rocky. My dog's the only one that actually deserves to be here. Sorry, boy.
Beautiful run from Duke.
So is it your dog or not? Well, it's not really my dog. It's just around.
I knew it!
Guess that settles that.
Why would you say that? Just.
Not now, Maya.
Just tie it up over there so it doesn't ruin the photos? Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Just stay here, okay? It's better this way. Sorry, Rocky. I'll come back soon, promise.
Watch this next trick.
Where's your sister, Tom?
She's fine, I'm watching her.
Good, thanks for keeping an eye on her.
Nobody's even watching anyway. I'll just look for a minute. The water looks so clear from here. Whoa!
Told you Duke's the best around.
Yeah, he's really good.
Is someone's dog loose over there?
Help somebody?
That's a lot of barking all of a sudden.
Wait, why is Rocky running like that?
No idea. Weird.
Maya? Where's Maya? I don't see her anywhere.
You said you were watching her. I thought she was right here.
Rocky? You came! Okay, I've got you. Thank you, Rocky. That was really scary. You knew before anyone else.
That's where the barking came from.
Maya's over there.
Maya! Maya, are you okay? Are you hurt? What happened?
Rocky found me. He saved me.
I'm so glad you're both okay.
Me too.
We were so scared. I'm okay, Mom. Rocky helped me.
Is everyone all right here? Yeah, thanks to Rocky.
He broke free and came running just in time.
What a brave dog. That old dog just saved her.
That old dog just saved her.
Incredible.
Did anyone else's dog even notice? Duke didn't even look up once. He was probably just resting. Huh. Maybe looks aren't everything.
We have a very special moment to recognize today. Let's hear it for Rocky, everyone.
He saved her even after what I did.
Were you actually watching your sister, Tom?
What is the nut, Tom?
No. I was with Jake's group instead.
I lied. She could have really gotten hurt today.
I know. I'm so sorry. I almost lost both of them today. I have to make this right. Rocky, can we talk? Just us? I was so wrong to say what I said. You didn't deserve any of that.
I'm sorry I wasn't watching out for you today.
You scared me, Tom. Just don't do it again, okay?
I promise, never again.
I said it in front of everyone. I need to fix it in front of everyone, too.
Could I say something to everyone?
Of course, go ahead.
Go on, they're listening.
Earlier today, I said Rocky wasn't really my dog.
That was a lie. I was ashamed, and that was wrong of me. You're my best friend, Rocky. You always have been.
Now that's a true friendship.
I shouldn't have said those things about him. Thanks for saying that, Jake. You're actually a really good dog.
What a day this turned out to be.
A day we won't forget.
Our very first Hero of the Day award goes to Rocky.
You're my best friend, Rocky.